Hello, on this video I would like to teach you how to looking for the raster datasets. In this sample I would like to introduce you how to looking for the satellite data of Sentinel-2. At first, please go to the following address. This is the Copernicus Open Access Hub homepage, and then please sign up yourself. Okay, in case you do not have the registration, you have to register a new account and input your credential informations. After you input your information here, and then click register and activate your information through registered your email address. In this case, I already have my account, and then I just input my credential information and then click login. Okay, login successful. And then let's go to the specific area. For example, I would like to download the data of Malang City, East Java, Indonesia. Just zoom into the Malang City, and then you can switch to navigation and switch to the box. This is navigation, this is the box. We would like to make a box here. Okay, this is the box, and then click on this symbol and go to the mission Sentinel-2. Let it be like this. If you would like to input the or to like to modify the cloud cover presentation, you just input like this. Just copy this one and paste here. Just modify to 5%. Okay, is everything okay? Just click search. Okay, just wait for a couple minutes. It is also depend on your bandwidth internet connection. Okay, this is your datasets. Okay, look for the clear dataset. For example, this one. You can click view product details here. Okay, this is your datasets. If everything okay, you are sure with your data, just click download product. Okay, just close this data. I already have my downloaded data. For example, this is my data for year 2019, and this is my data 21st October 2019. Just right click your data and then extract or unzip your data. Okay, after you extract or unzip your dataset, you can find your raster data in the granule and image data folder. This is your raster datasets. Next, open your QGIS and then install the semi-automatic classification plugin. Go to the plugin, manage and install plugins. Just type here semi-automatic classification plugin, select it and click install plugin. Okay, plugin installed successfully. Close, and let's go to the semi-automatic classification plugin main window. This is the main window. At first, go to the preprocessing, select the Sentinel-2 and then browse for your data. Go to your datasets. This is the already extracted unzip datasets. Select granule and image data and then click select folder. This is your datasets, and to correct it into the radiometric correction or atmospheric correction, just activate apply dark object subtraction atmospheric correction here and just click run. If you click run, select your folder. For example, in my dataset, I always make new folders name corrected here. So this is the old dataset already corrected here, and then select folder and then the algorithm will be run. Okay, if already, just wait for a couple of minutes. I already have my datasets here. I will open my raster data. Okay, this one, for example, only band 1 to band 7. This is my dataset. And if you would like to make some false color, combination of red, green, blue color, just modify it here. If you would like to make some modifications, or just double click on the stick raster data, select the band, for example 5, 4 and 3, and click apply. These are the false colors combinations of the RGB band 5, band 4 and band 3 of Sentinel datasets. We could zoom in into our specific area. Okay, this is the agricultural area situated within the mountainous region. If you would like to change the colors, just change the red band, for example 4, 3 and 2, click apply. You got another visualization here. This is a natural color visualizations. This is the city, Batu City, and this is the Malang City, the second largest city in East Java, Indonesia. Okay, that's all. Thank you.